Grinding gears, delayed shifting, transmission fluid leak? It's time for a trip to Dauntless Transmissions, a full-service auto repair shop in Raleigh. For nearly 3 decades, Dauntless Transmissions has been providing comprehensive car care in our community, specializing in transmission repair, rebuilding, replacement, and maintenance for all makes and models. But transmissions aren't all we do. By combining years of hands-on knowledge with the latest computer-aided diagnostic equipment, the expert techs at Dauntless Transmissions can identify and resolve any problem with your vehicle. From check engine lights and brake jobs to radiators and air conditioning, we fix it all. Our Raleigh Auto Shop can even take care of all your preventative maintenance needs, including oil changes, belt and hose replacements, and fluid flush services. Catering to domestic, European, and Asian cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, Dauntless Transmissions is your trusted partner for expert automotive services in Raleigh. From routine service to major transmission work, our locally owned auto shop is here to help you keep your car safe and reliable mile after mile. Give us a call or stop by. We look forward to serving you.